right, have fun with the boys.
Have fun tackling the kids today.
Woo! All right, wish us luck. We're packed down. We got a packed house. We're slowly, oh, there he is.
I've reached the minivan life.
Hey,
We got my driver mama. Here, it's the keys.
do you have a license to drive this spaceship?
For real.
We got all the kids.
I think so. Maybe this won't be as hard as I expect.
Are you ready to go on the train? Yeah.
She's only been on one other train in her life. Thank you.
Welcome back.
All right, we just got to the train station.
Train! Look, the train. The choo-choo train.
We made it on the train. It was no easy task with all these little rascals.
And even my mom got squished.
Oh, what a baby. Well, are we going fast?
Yeah.
Should you be holding on?
No.
Oh no? Excuse me, sir. Should you be sitting on your little tiny hiney? Wow, that's amazing, bud. We're about to get off.
Da-da-da.
We made it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh, we made it. This is the moment where I am extra thankful Nelson came. Krista just told me this is like a prestigious private school. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful little pathway. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. How neat is it to have a little garden all around? Everything is food all around here. This is so beautiful. Look at this. That's so cool. A little city pool for the kids. This park is insane.
Oh, the hamster wheel is cool.
Look at the big Ferris wheel, Raya. That looks so fun. We just laid eyes on the dinosaur park.
Is that a raptor?
What? How many Legos?
Imagine how long that would
102,000 Legos. This whole thing is made out of Legos. Even the door. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. What? Oh my gosh. Look, it's the ferry. Wow.
Look, it's actually.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool. So neat. So this is really cool. They have a little activity for the kids where they do a mystery mosaic with all of these Lego pieces. Wow, like that. And Bubs gets to do it, and we're doing it right now. And it's going to create a big, huge picture, a mystery picture. So she has to copy this screen. I'm so proud of you. Did you finish?
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
Because let's watch her run.
Did you finish this?
Yeah, I did.
Good job. Good job, sis. You did it. It's going on there.
There's a movie coming up, but you need to be quick.
Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow.
That's the one I get.
Wow, I love it. So each kid gets to make their own little footprint, and that is Araya's little footprint. So earlier when we did those little square mosaic tiles, they're turning it into like a large picture, and this is actually one of them.
A mosasaurus.
Oh, a mosasaurus. Oh! Okay, show me, girl, show me, come on. Oh my goodness, Araya. Araya, what is that?
I'm gonna ride it.
You want to ride in that Jeep?
Me and Jana need to get
Yeah.
a photo of that.
I think we all do. What? Are you driving that Lego Jeep? What? Look at you.
Look in the mirror.
Oh my gosh. So in this little area, the kids have to build a vehicle to get them out of Jurassic World.
Okay.
You're gonna race it? Can she race you? All right, go race him. Go! Oh, almost. Woo! What did you think about that? Can you rate it for me, please, out of a 10?
10 out of 9.
A 10 out of 10?
Wow.
Oh, 10 out of 9. What do you rate it?
I don't know, maybe an 8 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
All right, watch out. People might be coming out.
1 out of 10.
Oh, 1 out of 10. Wow, you're a hard cookie. What do you rate?
0 out of 10.
0? You guys are hard to please. I would have rated it like a good 7.5 or 8. I thought it was a lot of fun activities for the kids.
That's massive for only 2 to 3 years old.
So that was caught on the baited drum line, like we have at Stradbroke.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's still close to
That's crazy. This is an ant and termite colony. We're in the insect part of the museum, and look. It's like the butterflies Araya got to hold, well, we all got to hold in Bali.
giant.
Holy camoly.
Look at this delicious squid over here.
Look at this squid.
Maybe they get bigger than this too. Can you imagine?
No.
They do.
No.
Yeah. They get massive delicious squid.
This
Mom,
is massive.
Mom, delicious squid get bigger than this, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think. Nelson, you know more than I do.
Can you show us the dinosaur bone?
The dinosaur one, that's the green.
Dinosaur bone is the green. Whoa, that's dinosaur bone.
We can go in more. Okay.
Wow, you guys are like scientists. We found such pretty shells in Bali like this.
They're called wobbegong sharks. I catch them all the time.
That's so cool. Boom. Oh
I've
yeah.
caught a flathead bigger than that.
Dude, that's sick.
Bluefish. That's a tail area.
Dude.
Oh look, this is a snapper. That's what a snapper looks like.
Oh
here.
yeah, and it has a hump, kind of like a peacock bass.
And then the mullet, that's a brim, I don't know, mackerel. Oh, look at that trevally.
Ooh, I want one of those bad.
Red snapper.
Yeah. What is that?
Mary wrasse.
That's sick.
And then stonefish, coral trout, monster parrotfish.
Monster parrotfish.
Oh, look how big that freaking crayfish is.
Holy cow.
Look at the triggerfish.
Yeah, that's sick. We're gonna find one of those in the wild, girl. Nelson just told me that these are all over the island that we're staying on in Stradbroke right now.
I don't like that.
Me either.
Mama,
What is it? You like it? It's a lizard. Oh, Chris and the boys got the kids little presents. Oh, that was so nice. Araya. What do you say to them? Yeah, that's so nice. We have about 50 minutes until the train leaves, so we're kind of hauling butt to walk through the city to get to the train station. hopefully we can make it, because if not, then we will miss the 6:30 boat and be stuck on the 7:30 boat, and that will not be fun because the kids' bedtime is 7. Yes, we are. We're making the train, Nelson. Woo! We made it. That was a trek.
Is this my train?
Nope, not yet. Ours is the next train. Are you gonna go night-night on the train?
No.
You don't want to take a little snooze or nap?
Okay, one.
I'm gonna take a nap. You can watch the baby. What do you see, Bubba? A train. Can you say train? Train? Aww. Ooh, it's a tight one in here on the ride back. I think everybody might be getting off work and stuff. What are you two looking for?
Bigfoot.
What?
Bigfoot.
What? Are you kidding me?
Bigfoot.
You think he's in Australia? Wow. You're gonna go in the bushes? You're not afraid?
I'm going in to look for Bigfoot.
You're not afraid?
Yep.
No, you shouldn't be afraid. Not if you have crazy girl Araya with you.
Bigfoot's only a monkey.
Alright, well, we made it back to the train station. Now we have to hurry because we might be able to make the 5:30 boat. You guys have to run. We got places to go. Here comes the boat. We made the 5:30 boat. Say woohoo!
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.